When you have a missing tooth, some of the options can be one, do nothing. The second option is you can have a temporary partial or a regular partial denture. You could have a fixed bridge, or you can have a dental implant. The best choice, in my opinion, for a missing tooth would be a dental implant because we are placing only what is missing. When we're doing a fixed bridge, you have to cut down good tooth structure so that can anchor on the missing tooth. So that's not necessarily good or healthy for a tooth. And the biggest disadvantage of a removable partial denture is something that you have to take in and out daily, and that is more susceptible to cavities or affect your other dentition negatively with periodontal disease, and it's harder to clean your teeth, so that can cause a lot of food impaction and things like that.